Okay guys, so good evening. So today we are going to unbox MacBook Pro. Okay, this is the new model. Okay, which accessories is 1 TB storage, 24 GB, and M4 Pro chip. This is the world fastest chip which made by Apple. Okay, so if you see the accessories, 14 core CPU, 20 core GPU, 14.2-inch diagonal liquid retina HDR display with pro motion technology, 3024 by 1964 pixel, 3 Thunderbolt, 5 USB-C port, HDPI port, SDXC card slot, MagSafe 3 port, headphone jack. Size and weight is 0.61 by 12.31 by 8.7 inch. Okay, so let's see inside. Okay, if you see here, made in California design. Okay, so let's see inside. Okay, we are going to open. Here to go. See, this is the matte finish. If you see how it's packing, very nice packing. Wow. So if you see how it look like, this is the black, this was my old one which was the silver, and this is also MacBook Pro. But anyway, so if you see how is the design, it's really very good. Wow. See, I open, here to go. Okay, let's see here inside what is inside. Okay, so if you see, this is the USB. Okay, so this material is better than before. Okay, next, if you see what is inside, wow. Okay, see.